Everyone, welcome back to my stream. How are you guys? Okay. So now, current project we are going to view is this SHM. But first, let's start from here. Oh, hello, Agent WXO. How are you? It's been a while. How are you? Sorry, I can't participate in your live streams. I really apologize because I'm busy and stuff. I'm fine, thanks. What about you? Okay, so let's go and see what's going on. Money. Yeah. So it says Gate.io will list Shardium SHM spot trading Gate slash Ethereum in Launchpool to earn SHM hourly. So Gate.io will list Shardium for spot trading on May 8th, which means 2 days ago, 2025 at 10 a.m. To reward our users, you can stake GT slash Ethereum in Shardium. Sorry, I can't. Launch pool to earn 140,000 and 112 SHM airdrop for free with rewards distributed every hour. So, Shardium spot trading starts May 8, 2025 at 10 a.m., which already started. You guys don't need to worry about it. And yeah, deposit HM from here. Trade HM in USDT market via here from here. This link. Stardom launch pool staking period May 8 to May 18th. Sürrealist hoş geldiniz. Merhaba, nasılsınız? Teşekkürler. Total staking reward is 140,000 and 112 SHM. Yeah, let's check this picture. Okay, we're gonna check. Unlocking rule is 100%. Unlock it IO Launchpool allows users to stake early. You can stake your assets before the project officially launches, ensuring you start earning rewards immediately once mining begins. And we got reward distribution. The system will distribute token rewards to users. Spot accounts every hour based on the proportion of assets taken by each user. Yayındaydım yanlış. Evet, evet. Merhabalar. Ben de sizin yayınınıza katılırım birazdan. Maalesef uzun bir süredir yayınlara giremiyorum hiçbirine. Ama arkadaşlar söz veriyorum yeniden izleyeceğim hepinizi söz veriyorum. Birkaç gündür Crazy People hocamın da yayınlarını kaçırıyorum maalesef. So the system will distribute token rewards to user spot accounts every hour based on the proportion of assets taken by each user. Launch for frequently asked questions. You can check these. And we got off to participate, log into your Gate.io account and complete identity verification. Navigate to Gate.io Launchpool. Hold at least 0.01 GT slash this amount of Ethereum. Click stake. Exclusive staking limit privileges for VIP users. VIP 5 and above users enjoy exclusive staking limits when participating in Launchpool with up to 500 staking limit bonus. Yeah, you guys can check this chart from here. And project information, introduction share them is the world's first auto-scaling layer one blockchain designed to solve scalability challenges while maintaining true decentralization. Dynamic state charting helps keep gas fees low and TPS high as participation grows. Shardium performs consensus at the transaction level and lowers the computational power needed for validator nodes. The consensus mechanism makes it possible for anyone to run a node while increasing decentralization. Token name is Shardium, token symbol is HM, max supply is 240 million, 49 million. Token type is mainnet, token ID. You guys can check from here. Token distribution ratio and unlocking rules. Yeah, well, I think it's crystal clear. Foundation here, ecosystem and airdrops, 25 million and 480K SHM unlocked at TGA. Website here, white paper. We're gonna check out the white paper later. GateLive Launchpool is an innovative staking and airdrop platform where users can stake GT, Bitcoin, Ethereum, USDT, and other tokens to earn hourly airdrops of hot and new coins with low entry barriers and high APR. So it's the ultimate platform for effortlessly capturing market opportunities. Please complete identity verification before participating in Launchpool to enhance the security of your account and assets. Please adhere to the relevant rules of the event when participating. Any cheating behavior is prohibited. Okay, I don't need to read all of these. You guys already know it, I assume. But before we move here, we should check the launch pool. What is launch pool? Let's explain. So what is Launchpool? Launchpool is a platform where users can stake their assets or provide liquidity to earn rewards in new project tokens. Users can unlock specified tokens in the Launchpool pool to receive corresponding project token rewards. How can I participate in the Launchpool? First, log into your GateI account and navigate to the Launchpool page. Then choose the project you want to participate in and stake your assets. Which coins can I stake in the Launchpool pool? So the tokens eligible for participation will be announced on the mining page of each project. Please visit the corresponding page of Launchpool to view more details. Um, how many tokens will be rewarded? Hourly staking reward equals individual latest 1 hour valid staking amount slash total pool staking amount x hourly reward pool. System will take snapshot of individual staking amounts each hour and take the average as the valid staking amount. How are rewards distributed? System will take snapshot of individual staking amounts and distribute token rewards to eligible users. Hourly earnings will be distributed into users' spot accounts. So when will the staked assets be redeemed? So after the user redeems in advance or the staking is completed, the staked assets will be transferred to Simple Earn by default. So if this option is unchecked, the staked assets will be redeemed into spot assets. So if amount of redeemed assets is too small and does not meet the minimum subscription amount of Simple Earn, the assets will be automatically transferred to spot assets. So if Simple Earn does not support the subscription of the redeemed token, the assets will also be automatically transferred to the spot assets. Can I redeem my staked assets at any time? So this system will take multiple snapshots of personal staking amount each hour and calculate the valid staking amount. However, early redemption may result in loss of accrued rewards. Please maintain stable staking amounts to ensure mining rewards. Can I participate in multiple projects at the same time? When there are multiple launchpool projects going on at the same time, you can stake in different pools to receive new token mining rewards for multiple projects. So each staking pool needs to be staked separately. If you can stake assets in pool A, you will not be able to obtain rewards from pool B. You can stake pool A and pool B separately to obtain the corresponding mining rewards. What is the maximum mining reward I can receive? So the hourly reward hard cap per user for each project is different. Once the cap is reached, no further staking rewards will be granted. Please refer to the relevant announcements or the mining page for the reward hard cap limit for each project. Will staking assets in the launch pool impact my VIP level? No. Assets staked in the launch pool will be included in the asset holding calculation for startup free airdrops, pre-order prime, and VIP privilege. So let's watch these.
How to join Gate.io Launchpool. One-click stake. Earn new tokens hourly. What is Gate.io Launchpool? Gate.io Launchpool is an innovative staking and airdrop platform where users can stake GT, BTC, ETH, USDT, or other tokens to earn hourly airdrops of hot and new coins. With low entry barriers and high APR, it's the ultimate platform for effortlessly capturing market opportunities. How to stake to earn on Gate.io Launchpool app. 1. Log into your Gate.io account and complete identity verification. 2. Click Earn Launchpool. 3. Choose the project you want to join and click Stake. 4. Input the staking amount and click Confirm. 5. You can check your reward details in the reward history. How to stake to earn on Gate.io Launchpool web. 1. Log into your Gate.io account and complete identity verification. 2. Navigate to Gate.io's official website and click Launch Launchpool. 3. Choose the project you want to join and click Stake. 4th. Input the staking amount and click Confirm. 5. Rewards will be distributed hourly. You can check your reward details in the reward history. One-click stake. Earn generous rewards now.
Okay, that's it. So I think we're done with the launchpool rules and introduction. Let's move to our project. So, introduction for this project is Sharding is the world's first auto-scaling layer 1 blockchain designed to solve scalability challenges while maintaining true decentralization. Dynamic state sharding helps keep gas fees low and TPS high as participation grows. And so Sharding performs consensus at the transaction level and lowers the computational power needed for validator nodes. So this consensus mechanism make it possible for anyone to run a node while increasing decentralization. So let's check first GT pool. So total staking rewards for first GT is 110,000 and 112 SHM. Participants 5,149. Individual staking cap is 1000 GT. Token staked is 458.8 SHM. Mining period 10 days. Individual hourly reward cap is 22.94 SHM. Total stake 2 million and 143,993 GT, APR 6.46%. So you guys can see your stake GT here and your rewards here. Now let's check Ethereum one. Total staking rewards is 30,000 SHM. Participant 1,262. Individual staking cap is 300 Ethereum. Token stake is Ethereum. Price pool hourly cap is under 25 SHM. Mining period 10 days. Individual hourly reward cap 16.25 SHM. Total staked is, well, 17,947 Ethereum. APR 3%. And if you guys stake your Ethereum here, you'll see your stake Ethereum amount here and the rewards from here, calculated rewards for Ethereum here. Okay, now let's check the website. So Chardon, world's first auto-scaling blockchain. Okay, always affordable, no more unpredictable gas fees or having to guess when it's affordable to transact. Chardon fees stay low and stable always. Always scalable, whether it's thousands or millions of users, Chardon automatically scales as demand increases. Always fair, every transaction is preceded strictly in the order. So it's received. Nobody can cut the line or exploit the system. No MAV. Solving the trilemma. Trilemma, okay. Scalability. So thanks to dynamic state sharding, consensus is reached at the transaction level. This means high speed because of the parallel processing and low fees. And we got security from our combined proof of stake and proof of quorum approach to consensus to our auto rotation mechanism. We focus on security every step of the way. Meltem hoş geldiniz. Merhaba. Teşekkür ederim size de. So we got decentralization. Sharding is permissionless and built for the community to run. Nodes that increase TPS. Well, TPS means transactions per second, for your information, and participate regardless of their locations and backgrounds. We're gonna check the docs and white paper later. We got to validate, secure, earn SHM. Ben de hoş buldum. Tekrardan hoş geldiniz. So with minimal hardware, anyone from students to seasoned developers can become a validator on Sharding to validate transactions, support network security, and earn SHM rewards in return. And we got create free Sharding wallet account, secure a financial future, send and receive SHM. So SHM is your borderless money. And we got roadmap. Okay. So 2025 Q2, mainnet AVM slash smart contracts testnet. Let's move to 2025 Q3, security audits, AVM slash smart contract functionality live. 2025 Q4 is autoscaling V2. 2025 Q1 and back was pre-mainnet readiness, bug bounty, RPC server exchanges, single click nodes, Explorer ready, and we got phase 1 and 2 airdrop registration, token sale, and we got Q4 2025 incentivized testnet, Atomium stage 3 launch, code freeze, incentivized testnet stage 4 launch. Q4, no, what's Q4? 2024 Q3 is incentivized testnet stage 2 second launch, bug bounty 1 and first and second, I'm sorry. We got 2024 Q3. Okay, my apologies. Q2 second. Security audit, incentivized testnet, stage 1 launch, open sourcing the Shardam source code. And we got Q1 beta nets patent filling completed. Okay, these are the old ones. Going goes on. No. Okay. Starting by the numbers. A preview of the future of Web3. Over 150 ecosystem projects, over 171K public validators, over 1.4 million community members, and over 1.2 million accounts over 81 million transactions and over 247K contracts. And we got tokenomics 249 million. That's the initial supply. It's HM. Okay, so 36.72% is sale, on sale, and 30.6% team allocated to team, and 22.44% is foundation, and 10.23% is ecosystem and airdrops, and 154 projects and counting. Explore the newest project. Okay, these are the blocks. Okay, this is a step-by-step guide with stocks, roadmap. Okay. Oh, these are the projects, I guess. Okay. Resources. So Jardin open source, GitHub mentorship requests and discussion about code. So what is Jardin? AVM compatible blockchain platform. So Jardin is an AVM compatible blockchain platform that leverages dynamic state sharding to achieve linear scalability. So this innovative approach allows us to consistently offer low transaction fees and high throughput, effectively addressing key barriers and blockchain adoption. Our commitment to the Ethereum virtual machine ensures comparability with a wide range of existing applications and developer tools, facilitating an easy transition for projects are and developers looking to benefit from Shardim's infrastructure. Why contribute to Shardim? Besides boosting your engineering reputation, here are additional benefits for contributors. Okay. So one is first mentorship. So we offer weekly office hours and a dedicated channel on Discord to help you learn about open source. And second, LinkedIn badge. Chardin will issue you a contributor badge for your LinkedIn profile to boost your professional reputation. Okay, that might be handy. So third is recognition. We share our contributor of the month in a cool graphic across or social channels to further give your profile some social authority and recognition. Four is community growth. We issue exclusive roles to contributors on Discord that give you access to more channels, events, and permissions. And 5, explore or OSS projects. Okay, you guys can check these out. Our core principles open. We believe that everyone in the world is a team member of Shardoom. We think of Shardoom as we do the open internet. So it is not owned by anyone. It is owned by everyone, and participation is open to everyone. So, in keeping with this principle, we have maintained open communications, ideations, and decisions, documentations on pretty much everything we do. And we got collaborative. Our approach is rooted in the belief that collective efforts lead to the most innovative solutions and advancements. By eliminating the concept of competition, we aim to foster an ecosystem where every participant, whether an individual developer, a startup, or even a competing blockchain platform, is viewed as a potential collaborator. Matter of fact, this project is really solid. And we got community driven. We envision a blockchain where the community doesn't just use the technology but actively shapes its evolution. So we aim to enforce a governance model that reflects this belief, providing mechanism for community members to propose, debate, and vote on changes to the platform. We are committed to transparency and open communication, ensuring that the community is well informed and engaged at every stage of Shardam's development. And we got sharding projects, open projects for the community. So we are opening up all of our projects. So for the from the sharding, from the Chardin website all the way to our global server. So this is in accordance with our commitment to building the future of Chardin with our community. You can find all the Chardin projects available on GitHub account, all fitted with well-documented readmes and contributing guides. So they ensure that Chardin is community owned. We will continue to be so in the future. We are following the standards of the Apache Software Foundation as one of the oldest open source organizations. So it decades the experience have created a framework that ensures fair and community on processes and responsibilities. So a user is someone who uses our software. They contribute to Shardium projects by providing valuable feedback, report bugs, and contributes to the community in various ways. And we got contributors. A developer slash contributor is a user who contributes to a project in the form of code or documentation. Contributors actively participate in the development process by submitting code, documentation, or other enhancements. And we get committers. Committers are contributors who have earned the trust of the community through their consistent contributions to the project. They have direct write access to the repository and can merge code changes. And project management committee. Okay, let's continue. And yeah, PMC member responsibilities and privileges. So a PMC member is a committer who has right access to the code repository. I don't know how to pronounce this word. Wait here. Repository, okay. And Shardium.org mail address, the right to vote on community-related decisions, and the right to propose other active contributors for commutership. So PMC is steering project strategy and governance. The PMC oversees the strategic decision, direction, and governance of the project. So they are responsible for decision making, ensuring community health, and promoting growth. The PMC as a whole in the entity that controls the project, nobody else. How to get started? Okay, this is important. As a community project, we care deeply about enabling developers to join in developing Shardiums and its related projects, build new skills, and add features you believe Shardium should have. As such, we are always willing to help you get started and mentor you on your journey of learning the project and making useful contributions. There is good work to do for everyone with whatever skill set you have. And it doesn't have to be code. We also welcome help with documentation, design, project organization, organizing meetups, and promoting the project. And we maintain a list of starter issues that are a great way to help up to speed as a new contributor. You can search for Great Starter Issue label in our issue tracker to see what's currently available by clicking the below button from here. If you have questions, okay, you guys can do the rest. Roadmap, ecosystem. Let's check ecosystem. Yeah, start building. Okay. Roadmap, we check roadmap. Shardim University. They got university. Okay, that's interesting. Oh, they have free courses. Okay, as I said, this project is handy. Okay, let's check the frequently asked questions, even though they are a bit long, but you should check. So what's Shardim? Shardim is an AVM-based auto-scaling AL1 blockchain that uses dynamic state sharding to scale linearly and maintain low gas fees forever with true decentralization and solid security. What is the RPC endpoint for Sharding mainnet? You can find the mainnet endpoint here. What does Sharding aim for? So Sharding aims to be the smart contract platform that can onboard over 1 billion people to the blockchain and decentralization movement by addressing the scalability trilemma. Our mission, decentralization for everyone, reflects our commitment to making blockchain technology both affordable and accessible. What is Shardem's native token called, and what is its ticker slash currency symbol? Shard will be the name of the token with the ticker symbol SHM. So here is Shardem, by the way. The price is 20.21 cents. Oh, still good. Where can I buy and trade SHM tokens? SHM will went live on leading exchanges including Bidget, MEXC, and Bitmart, and also Gate.io starting at approximately 10 a.m. UTC, May 8, 2025. For full details, check out the blog. Where can I find the latest tutorials on buying and staking SHM, making peer-to-peer transaction and running a node? Well, also, do you recommend any specific hosting option by running my node? So you can find the latest tutorials here. Advanced users can check or developer docs if needed. Besides self-hosting, you can run your node using one-click setups and VPS providers. However, please note that Shardim does not endorse or take responsibility for any third-party services. Always do your own research. I'm new to Web3 and blockchain. What should I know before getting started? So, as mentioned above, always start with the golden rule: do your own research. So, it's especially crucial in a space like Web3, which blends cutting edge technology with elements of finance, economics, capital markets, and governance. And blockchain isn't just about innovation, it's about empowering individuals with true ownership of their assets and data, offering a decentralized alternative to traditional systems. So, at its core, it promotes transparency, permissionless access, and open source infrastructure. So, all of which make informed decision making essential. So, with this foundation in mind, you can start with setting up a self custodial wallet and connecting to Shardem network. So, this block guides you through that process and highlights other case steps to help ensure a secure experience. How can I find and read Chardium white paper? Obviously, you guys can click on here. Here's the link for if you click on link, you'll see white paper for Chardium. So, what are some of the use cases of Chardium and SHM token on mainnet? So as mainnet is launched with peer-to-peer and validator functionalities, Below are some of the potential use cases Sharding and its token SHM. So as we introduce smart contract later in 2025, the use cases will expand to include what has been possible in Web3 so far and beyond as a result of Shardam's groundbreaking technology. So ultra-low fees for peer-to-peer transfers, instant global remittances, and cross-border payments, validator staking reward slash incentives for community and ecosystem projects, store of value, AVM compatibility, uh, so reward and by ecosystem projects, microtransactions, direct donations, etc. So what are the futures are live on the Sharding mainnet and which are your next major milestone? So we got following features are live on mainnet, dynamic state sharding, auto scaling, liner scaling, low transaction fees, AVM compatibility, soft scalability, trilemma, solid security through decentralization, immediate finality, low latency, low bandwidth, high fairness, and high capacity. Smart contract functionality scheduled for development in Q2 2025 and live launch in Q3 of 2025. So, what new use cases will Sharding enable with smart contract support? Once smart contract functionality is live, Sharding will unlock a wide range of use cases that were previously limited by scalability and high transaction costs on the other blockchain. So, from AAA gaming and AI integrations to enterprise grade applications. Common use cases will include DeFi, DEX, gaming application, decentralized AI, decentralized identity, decentralized social media, decentralized science and R&D, and decentralized oracles, layer 2, and rollups focused on use cases like enhanced privacy, IoT system, NFT, metaverse, enterprise solutions slash applications, government level deployments. Where can I find the project's latest roadmap? We already checked the roadmap, but if you guys are curious, you guys can visit the website and click on these frequently asked questions. Yeah, click here and you will see the roadmap for this project. So what is OCC? OCC is a short for Open, Collaborative, and Community Driving. So OCC is the core principles of sharding. Much like the internet, sharding will be open, collaborative, and community driving and would democratize accessibility to decentralization. Sharding will be the infrastructure on which the next day iteration of the internet, Web3, will be built. So how will sharding achieve energy efficiency? Energy efficiency means the consensus algorithm used by the network should not require excessive energy beyond what is necessary to process the transactions. Bitcoin and other networks based on the Nakamoto consensus are designed to use high energy expenditure to secure the network from 51% attack. However, efficient consensus algorithms such as Paxos and BBFT do not require high energy expenditure. So the trade-off is that these algorithms need nodes to be assigned a node ID before joining the network. Thus, these algorithms have been used in permissioned networks and not for nodes that can participate without requiring a node ID. Sharding will use an energy-efficient consensus algorithm that requires nodes to have a node ID upon joining the network. However, a novel approach does not need a central entity to decide which nodes are part of the network. Okay, y'all. I'm not gonna read all of these because, as you can see, we got like 6 minutes or so. So, I, if you guys have any questions, let me know in the chat. so I can answer your questions, or at least I can try to answer your questions. This project, as I said, is pretty solid project, and they got every guide you need, like beginner guide. If you are advanced about these kind of things, you guys directly check the white paper documents. So yeah, they got all you need. If you guys are curious about it, don't forget to check their website. I hope I'm not missing something. Okay, so I have 3 minutes. Just walk around and see. Check the beginner guides. Yeah, you see, they got everything. Engineering marvels, updates, Shardam nodes. Yeah, they also got Shardam University, which is quite interesting. Bit more products. Let's see what else they got. So we got Solidity Basics, Introduction to Web3. So I assume most of you guys don't. I hope you guys already understand or comprehend the Web3 system. A body. Hello, hello. AVM deep dive. Shardam 101. Run a local Shardam network. Wait, let me see. At least you guys can say I'm going to Shardam University. Sounds really nice. All right. Cafer hoş geldiniz size de iyi akşamlar. Okay, so I think that's it for today. Enjoy your weekend, y'all. Sleep tight. Don't forget to drink water. Don't forget to use stop loss. Stay safe. Good night, sweet dreams. I'll see you guys tomorrow.